Good morning, class 9. In the last video, we have discussed about the true solution. Today, we will discuss the second type of solution, that is suspension solution, and their properties. So, let's start. Suspension. We have studied in the previous video that the substance which is soluble in water to form solution. But those substances which are insoluble in water, they form suspension. For example, soil particles are spread throughout water, and this mixture, soil in water, is called suspension because soil particles are insoluble in water. Other examples we have, like when we pour sand in water, we get a mixture of sand in water. That is also a suspension. Chalk powder in water, milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia is magnesium hydroxide. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which insoluble solid particles spread throughout the liquid without dissolving in it. Examples. Here it is written, insoluble solid particles when dissolved in water or in other liquid, they are insoluble. This mixture is called suspension. Example is chalk in water mixture, soil or sand in water, milk of magnesia is solution. Muddy water is also an example of suspension. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. The solid insoluble particles spread throughout in a liquid without dissolving in it. It means in suspension, the solid particles and a liquid are unstable. To study the properties of suspension, we will do an experiment. In this experiment, we will take a beaker which is half filled with water. When we pour chalk powder in it, we get a mixture of chalk in water. This mixture is an example of suspension because chalk powder is insoluble in water. It is spread throughout the water without dissolving in it because it is unstable. The mixture of chalk in water is heterogeneous mixture because the composition is not fixed everywhere. If we filter this mixture by using a filter paper, we get the residue of chalk particles on the filter paper as well as filtrate containing water. By this way, we can separate the chalk and water by the filtration method. If we pass a beam of light through this solution of chalk and water, it scatters the beam of light due to the large size of chalk particles, and hence its path is visible. On the basis of this, we get the properties of suspension as suspension is a heterogeneous mixture because insoluble solid particles spread in a liquid or water without dissolving in it. It is unstable and composition is not fixed. Suspension can be separated by filtration method. When we use the filter paper to separate the mixture of suspension, we get the solid insoluble particle on the filter paper due to the large size of solute particles. The size of solute particle, that is insoluble solid, is more than 100 nanometer. Due to large size of solute particles, that is insoluble solid particles, we can see it easily. Suspension is unstable because solute particles are, without dissolving, spread in the liquid. If we pass a beam of light through suspension solution, it scatters the beam of light due to the large size of solute particles. Hence, its path is visible. Thus, students, we conclude that suspension is a mixture of insoluble particles in a liquid or water. It is a heterogeneous mixture and the size of solute particle is more than 100 nanometer. It scatters the beam of light due to the large size of solute particles and it can be filtered by using the filter paper. We get a residue, that is the insoluble solid particles on the filter paper. Students, next day we will discuss about the colloids or colloidal solution. Thank you.